Hi, Ava.
Hi, Mummy.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm getting ready for bed.
Ah, yeah, it's late, isn't it?
Yeah. Before I do, I'm going to do a opening toy video.
Okay, are you?
Yeah.
What toy are you going to open?
A Masher one.
A Masham. Let me see. Is that a Cars?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Cars. Have you seen Cars?
Only a tiny bit.
Have you?
Yeah.
Have you got a favourite character?
Yeah. It's Flashlight.
Ah, is that Lightning McQueen?
Yeah.
Oh, is that what you're hoping's inside?
Yeah.
Why don't you open it then and see what is in there? Can you do it? I don't think you should use your teeth though, Ava. I think there's a little bit. Let Mummy see. Let Mummy see. There's a little bit by there, look. Can you pull it?
Uh-huh.
And Mummy see. Let go.
I hope it's in there.
Right, pull that bit. Can you pull that bit? Yeah, pull it all the way round. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Should Mummy do it for you?
Yeah.
Right, Mummy then.
Oh. Done yet?
Nearly.
Thanks.
There, can you finish it?
Yeah.
Okay. Slowly. It's a surprise.
It's this one.
Oh, it's not Lightning McQueen though, is it?
No.
Is it Brown? Brown, does it say a name?
I don't know.
I'm not sure of the names. Perhaps your friends could tell us in the comments what their names are.
Yeah.
Do you think? Don't pull it, you'll break it.
No, it's a squid.
What should the people do that want to watch your videos, Ava?
Don't forget to click the subscribe button.
That's right, the subscribe button. And say, please let us know in the comments which is your favourite Cars character.
Please let us know. Our Cars toy
Squishers, Mashams they are.
Mash'ems.
Okay, say night to everybody, Ava.
Good night, everybody.